All right. So last week for our phonics, we were learning about words that had V, C, 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 V. So that meant vowel, consonant, 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 vowel. Now this week we're going to learn about V, C, C, V words. So that's one less consonant than last week. But the V still stands for vowel and the C stands for consonant. So this week it's going to be vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Now, hopefully I didn't just lose you, but if I did, I'm going to explain it a little bit more, but we're going to start off with watching this video.
To review, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. We use V to mark the vowels in words. The consonants are the rest of the letters. We use C to mark consonants in words. In the VCCV syllable division pattern, we divide the syllables between the two consonants. Let's take the word basket. We mark the letters with V and C and look for the pattern VCCV. We divide the syllables between the two consonants, the C's. Now we have two syllables. The first syllable, B-A-S, is closed because it ends with the consonant S, so the vowel A is short. A, bass, basket. Let's do it again in a word with a double consonant in the middle. Tennis. We mark the letters with V and C and look for the pattern VCCV. We divide the syllables between the two consonants, the C's. Now we have two syllables. The first syllable, T-E-N, is closed because it ends with the consonant N, so the vowel E is short. Eh. Tennis.
Okay, so I just want to do a couple of examples with you guys. The activities that you're going to have to do today, one is going to look like this, and the other one is going to look like this. So it's going to be kind of like the activity that you did last week, except this week the pattern is VCCV. So this says that each syllable in a word has one vowel sound when two vowels are separated by two consonants. So that's vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. The syllables break between the consonants. So you have vowel, consonant, then you have a break, consonant, vowel. So it's breaking in between the two consonants, the two C's. The vowel sound in the first syllable is usually short. Sometimes it is an R-controlled vowel. So the first word that you have here is tablet. It looks like they put their break in between their two consonants, which are B and L. So then you have tablet. This one is insect. So it looks like they put their break between the N and the S. Now don't think that you're just going to break it in between the middle of each word, because you see right here for insect, on this side it's not exactly in the middle. So make sure that you're breaking it up in between the two consonants and not just in the middle of the word. Right here you have carpet. So car, they have the break, and then pet. So you have A, which is a vowel, R, which is a consonant, P, a consonant, and E, a vowel. So this is what you guys are going to do by yourself, but I created this little document so that we can work some together. So our first one is napkin. So where do you think we would put our break? Remember, it has to be between our two consonants. So what we have to do is we look at our entire word, and I put right here our vowels. So our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Let me see if I can highlight this. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So we have to look for, let's look at this word. We need to see what is the first vowel that we see. Well, we know that N isn't one. Oh, okay, there's our first vowel. So this must be consonant, consonant, and then is I a vowel? Yep. Good. So then that means that I would take this, I would wait till it turned blue, I would grab it, and I'm going to put mine right between the P and the K. So if it cuts off a word like that, that's fine. I will still understand what you're trying to do. All right, let's do the next one, tennis. Remember, we got to start at the beginning, the first letter, and keep going until you find your first vowel. So there's E, consonant, consonant, vowel. So that means I'll grab it, wait till it turns blue. I'll take it, and then I'll move it in between my two vowels. Okay, let's do a couple more. Let's do puppet. I'll give you a chance to do that one. Where would it go for puppet? Good. I hope you said that it would go between the two P's for puppet. All right, let's do sudden. So it would go between our two D's. Picnic. It would go between our C and our N. And last one, nutmeg. It would go between the T and the M. Great job. I hope you were able to get the same answers as me. So when you go to your actual worksheet, I've already put the red lines in there for you. You're going to do the same thing. You're just going to take it and you're going to drag it to where it belongs. So remember, we're doing V, C, break, C, V. We're putting a break in the syllables. Our first word is basket, so I'll do the first one with you. Where do you think the line would go for basket? So our line is going to go, we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So it's going to go between the S and the K. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it right there between the S and the K. All right, and let's look at the next one. It's the same thing except for this time you're going to actually type the word out. So where it says type here, you should be able to type in each box. So the first one is expert. So instead of actually drawing a line and breaking it up, I'm going to actually have to type it out. So where would it go for expert? Now this one was a tricky one because I know some of you guys probably said it would go between the P and the E, but remember it has to go between our two consonants. So this is one of the ones that I said is not going to have an equal on both sides. Because for this one, you would have E, X, and then right here, you would have P-E-R-T. Because remember, it has to break up the two consonants. E is our vowel, X is our consonant, P is our consonant, E is our other vowel. Okay, so these are going to be, there may be some tricky ones on here, so make sure that you're paying attention to these words on this one, okay? And that is it for our phonics lesson today. Make sure if you have any questions, you contact me, and I will see you guys next time.